Welcome to Guru Govind Singh Public School and Junior College. Subject EVS 1 Science Class 5th. We are learning lesson number 13 Methods of Preserving Food, and we are going to see today part 3 video of this lesson. I am your science teacher Rashmi Walke. After watching this video, you will be able to understand about different methods of food preservations. So, let's start children. Methods of food preservation. There are mainly 4 methods we are using for preservation of food. First one is drying, then cooling, boiling, and last one is placing in airtight cans. Other than these methods, preservatives also we can use for preservation of our food, but that we are going to learn in next video. So let's learn about these 4 methods. So first method is drying method. Children, as you know that microorganisms grow rapidly where they get food, water or moisture and warmth. So, when we dry foodstuff, their water content is lost. This method is used to preserve foodstuffs like papad, kudai, sange, wheat, dal, etc. So, because of drying in that foodstuff, water content is lost. So, we can preserve our food for long time. Then second method is cooling. Children, as you know, wherever warmth is there, microorganisms grow fast. But when food is placed in refrigerator or in cool area, microorganisms do not get the warmth they need for the growth. Hence, we can preserve our food for longer time and we can have it whenever we want. So, this is the second method of preservation of food, that is cooling. By using this method, we can preserve food, fruit, vegetables, juices, and many other food. Third method is boiling method. So, children, when foodstuffs are boiled, whatever microorganisms in them get destroyed. So microorganisms present in the food get destroyed because of this boiling. By using this method, we can preserve many food items, mainly our milk. Mainly this method we are using for our milk. So this is the third method of preservation of our food items. Then next method is placing in airtight cans. When foodstuffs are preserved in airtight containers, the microorganisms are first destroyed and it is ensured that water or air will not enter the foodstuffs. It means that to preserve foodstuff, the microorganisms in them should be destroyed. Also, they must be placed in conditions in which microorganisms will not grow again. So, children, this is also one method of preservation of our food, that is placing in airtight cans. So, in today's video, we learn about 4 methods of preservation of food. First one is drying method. So in this drying method, when we dry our food stuff, so whatever water content is in that food, it lost and we can preserve our food for long time. Second method we learn, that is cooling. When food is placed in refrigerator, microorganisms do not get any warmth they need for their growth. Third method we learn boiling. When foodstuffs are boiled, the microorganisms in them get destroyed and we can preserve our food for long time. Then last method we learn today, that is placing in airtight cans. So, when foodstuffs are preserved in airtight containers, the microorganisms are first destroyed and it is ensured that water or air will not enter the foodstuff. Thank you, students.